In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Google Finance in Excel in just 5 minutes. Google Finance is a fantastic tool for anyone interested in the stock market. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting to explore financial markets, having access to up-to-date stock information is essential. Fortunately, integrating Google Finance with Excel, or more precisely, Google Sheets, can automate the process of fetching this data. This walkthrough will guide you through the steps required to harness the power of Google Finance directly within your sheets. First and foremost, you need to access Google Finance. Start by opening your favorite web browser and navigating to the Google Finance website. This portal is your gateway to a wealth of financial information, including stock prices, market trends, news, and more. It's designed to be user-friendly, so don't hesitate to explore its features. Once you're on the Google Finance homepage, the next step is to sign in. Look for the Sign In button, usually located in the top right corner of the page. Clicking this button prompts you to choose which Google account you'd like to use. If you have multiple accounts, ensure you select the one associated with the tasks you aim to accomplish in Google Sheets. After selecting your account, you'll be asked to enter your password. It's paramount here to ensure the security of your account, so make sure you're entering your credential in a secure environment. Once your password is correctly entered, click on Next to proceed. Having signed in to Google Finance, it's time to shift our focus to Google Sheets. Google Sheets is a powerful online spreadsheet app that allows you to create, edit, and collaborate on spreadsheets right from your browser. It's part of Google's suite of Office tools, and it seamlessly integrates with Google Finance. Now go ahead and open Google Sheets. Start a new spreadsheet by clicking the plus icon or selecting blank from the template gallery. This blank canvas is where you'll bring in Google Finance data. Here's where the fun begins. In any cell within your newly created Google Sheet, type in =, Google Finance. This formula is essentially the bridge between Google Sheets and Google Finance, fetching live financial data directly into your spreadsheet. However, a function without parameters won't do much, so let's add some specifics to it. You'll need to provide parameters inside the parentheses to tailor the data fetched by the Google Finance function. These parameters can include the stock symbol, attributes like price, volume, etc., and for historical data, specific dates. For instance, if you want to track the stock price of a company, say Alphabet Inc., you would type Google Finance, Google, into the cell. But why stop there? The Google Finance function allows for a broad range of parameters, giving you flexibility in the data you fetch. You can specify attributes such as price or market cap, or even use it to pull in historical financial data over a range of dates. For example, Google Finance says Google, price, date, 2024-1-1, date, 2024-11-18, daily, would output the daily price of Alphabet Inc. stock from January 1st, 2024 to November 18th, 2024. Manipulate these parameters based on the information you seek to extract for your financial analysis or tracking purposes. Using the Google Finance function is a powerful way to keep your financial data accurate and up to date without manual data entry. It updates in real time, ensuring that your financial analysis or investment tracking is always based on the latest information available. As you become more familiar with the Google Finance function, feel free to experiment with its capabilities. From tracking a single stock to comparing multiple assets, the possibilities are extensive. Tailor the function to suit your specific financial tracking or analysis needs, capitalizing on its versatility. Remember, the beauty of Google Sheets, combined with Google Finance, lies in the automation and efficiency it brings to managing your financial data. Whether for personal investment tracking, portfolio management, or market analysis, mastering the Google Finance function opens up a world of possibilities for real-time financial insights. And there you have it. You've just learned how to add Google Finance data into your Google Sheets, making your financial tracking or analysis both dynamic and insightful. With practice, this process will become second nature, enriching your financial projects or investments with valuable real-time data. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. Dive into your Google Sheets, explore the Google Finance function, and unlock the potential of real-time financial data at your fingertips. Happy investing and analyzing.